So why would you have to call 811 before we dig?
Since we don't want to get rid of any pipes, we don't want to break pipes, we don't want to get rid of drainage.
That's right, and we don't want to hit any electric or gas pipes, huh?
That could be dangerous. What else?
Dig in the grass.
You want to dig in the grass?
Well, thank you. Yes, that is why you call Miss Dig 811. It helps everybody stay safe, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you all. You all have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching Miss Diggs What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.